पोलराइजेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पोलराइजेशन मीन्स when two atoms join to each other. Suppose hydrogen joined with fluorine. Two electrons present in between two atoms. If equally distributed between two nucleus, then this is known as non-polar bond. But what happens if electron between two atoms shifted towards a single atom, that is atom having more electronegativity attract electron pair of bond. This is known as polarization. So this bond is known as polar bond. Polarization occur due to difference in electronegativity. Due to difference in electronegativity. अगर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी का डिफरेंस 0 है तो नॉन पोलर होगा। इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी का डिफरेंस है तो मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम हैव टेंडेंसी टू अट्रैक्ट शेयर्ड पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज नोन एज पोलराइजेशन एंड द पावर टू अट्रैक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नोन एज पोलराइजेबिलिटी पावर. पोलराइजेबिलिटी power. It depends upon their size, electronegativity. There are different factors, but power to attract electron pair, that is bonded electron pair, or you can say shared pair electron pair towards a single atom is known as polarizability power. This is polarization. Polarization in covalent bond. Suppose hydrogen joined with fluorine or fluorine, any other atom, then shared pair electron, that is electron present between two nucleus shifted toward a single atom. This is known as polarization. The polarization in covalent bond is expressed in terms of percentage ionic character. Percentage ionic character of that molecules. Suppose atom A joined with atom B, then the electronegativity of A represented by XA, electronegativity of B represented by XB, difference in electronegativity, difference in electronegativity equal to XA minus XB. So percentage ionic character equal to 16 into difference in electronegativity XA minus XB. XA minus XB and 3.5 into difference in electronegativity Xa minus Xb whole square. This is known as percentage ionic character. Percentage ionic character can be determined with the help of difference in electronegativity. Without knowing electronegativity of that particular atom, we cannot determine the percentage ionic character of a bond. Our question is that find out percentage ionic character of hydrogen fluoride molecule given that electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1 and fluorine is 4.0. As per formula, percentage ionic character equal to 16 into difference in electronegativity Xa minus Xb plus 3.5 difference in electronegativity Xa minus Xb whole square. The value of this 16 into difference only, there is no means of sign here, only difference, that is 1.9 plus 3.5 into 1.9 whole square. The value will be 43%. The percentage ionic character is 43%. Then the molecule will be, molecule is polar covalent. Polar covalent. As the percentage of ionic character increase more than 50, then covalent bond change into ionic bond. Look here, the different electronegativity of the hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodines are given here. Electronegativity of hydrogen 2.1 and fluorine 4.0, chlorine 3.0, bromine 2.8, iodine 2.5. Therefore, the difference in electronegativity in hydrogen and fluoride is 1.9. Hydrogen and chlorine difference is electronegativity 0.9. Difference in electronegativity of hydrogen and bromide 0.4. Hydrogen and iodide 0.4 and 0.7 in HBr. What happened? As you see, difference in electronegativity going to decrease. Therefore, percentage ionic character also decrease, means ionic character decrease from top to bottom across a group. किसी ग्रुप में हम ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ जाएंगे तो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी की वैल्यू कम होगी. डिफरेंस जैसे जैसे कम होता जाएगा आयनिक कैरेक्टर वैसे वैसे कम हो जाएगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द डाइपोल मोमेंट. डाइपोल मोमेंट. Dipole moment represented by mu. The value of mu dipole moment is multiple of of charge and distance of separation between two atoms joined to each other. Mu equal to charge q into distance of separation represented by d, that is charge into distance of separation the unit of चार्ज को हम कूलॉम से रिप्रेजेंट करें और डिस्टेंस ऑफ सेपरेशन मीटर से रिप्रेजेंट करें तो यूनिट आएगा कूलॉम मीटर. कूलॉम मीटर कूलॉम मीटर, but mu generally represented in the form of d by 1 d by equal to 3.334564 into 10 power minus 30 coulomb meter. Suppose hydrogen combined with fluorine. This is neutral atom, this is also neutral atom. But after the combination, HF form. In HF molecule, hydrogen fluoride molecule, electron density increase towards fluoride atom. Increase towards fluoride atom, which results the formation of delta negative and similarly delta positive charge arises on the hydrogen atom. It means magnitude of charge will be same but opposite. Magnitude of charge will be same but opposite in sign. So this is important that charge will be same but opposite in sign. Dipole moment is a directional quantity. Directional quantity that is it has vector as well as vector means direction as well as mass. Direction as well as magnitude. Magnitude and direction both. If a quantity having magnitude and direction both, then this is known as vector quantity. So sum of the dipole moment in polyatomic molecule, in polyatomic molecule the dipole moment is vector sum of all the dipole of each bond. Suppose H2O contains hydrogen oxygen bond and oxygen hydrogen bond both. This is represent the dipole moment of water molecule will be equal to vector sum of this and this. A symmetrical molecule dipole moment mu is 0 because vector sum, or you can say resultant of vector is 0. For example, CO2, in CO2 molecule, this electron shifted towards oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative and represented like this. Arrow represents the direction of movement of electron. Similarly, in this bond, arrow goes toward this side. What happens if these two vectors are opposite in direction? Then resultant vector will be 0 and dipole moment will be 0. Similarly, CCl4 chlorine have more electronegativity as compared to carbon. Then electron goes towards chlorine atom and dipole moment of each bond represented like this. But resultant of these three vectors is here and this vector is in this direction. What happened? These two vectors cancel to each other, therefore dipole moment in this case also will be equal to 0. But in asymmetrical molecule or unsymmetrical molecule, dipole moment always present because the vector sum not equal to 0. In water molecule, suppose hydrogen is less electronegative as compared to oxygen. Then electron goes towards oxygen. Similarly, in this bond, electron goes toward this oxygen. And what will be the resultant vector in this direction? Therefore, they have definite value of dipole moment, that is mu equal to 1.84 divide. In case of sulfur dioxide, oxygen is more electronegative as compared to sulfur. Then bond electrons shifted towards oxygen, and similarly this bond shift towards this oxygen. The resulting value of this vector is goes to this direction, means this molecule is polar due to presence of dipole moment mu equal to 1.60 divide. It means unsymmetrical molecule always have their definite value of dipole moment, but symmetrical molecule do not have their definite value of symmetrical value. Do not have dipole moment. They have zero dipole moment due to symmetry in molecule. Calculation of dipole moment suppose we take water molecule, and water molecule have two bonds like this. This is known as mu1, this is mu2. There are two different types of dipole. Then what happened? Dipole moment or you can say net dipole moment of molecule equal to under root mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. This, if different dipole moment calculated, then you can find out net dipole moment of the molecule. Application of dipole moment. First, dipole moment applied in determination of polarity of molecule, that is to determine the polarity of molecule. Dipole moment used to determine the percentage ionic character, that is percentage ionic character equal to mu experimental upon mu theoretical into 100. Percentage ionic character can be determined if experimental value of a molecule, experimental dipole moment given, and theoretical dipole moment. Theoretical dipole moment, mu theoretical calculated by this formula mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 mu2 cos theta. Therefore, percentage ionic character can be calculated with the help of this dipole moment. Next, orientation of of substituent in benzene ring. Suppose one hydrogen replaced by chlorine in benzene, then this is monochlorobenzene. If two hydrogen replaced by benzene, then there are two positions, first, second, third and fourth. If hydrogen replaced by second position, hydrogen replaced by third position in benzene ring, hydrogen replaced by fourth position in benzene ring. Again look here, this molecule is symmetrical, therefore dipole moment in symmetrical molecule will be 0. But this molecule is asymmetrical, the dipole moment of asymmetrical molecule will not be 0, that is mu equal to 2.5 d, and if chlorine attached to 1, 2, 3, इसमें एक से तीसरे के एक पहले और तीसरे पर अगर क्लोरीन अटैच किया तो इसमें डाइपोल मोमेंट 1.48 d 1.48 divide. It means dipole moment decrease with increase in symmetricity. As the symmetricity increase, dipole moment decrease. To determine the geometry of molecule. Geometry means, suppose carbon-carbon double bond joined with chlorine and hydrogen like this. If two bulky group present on different side of geometrical axis, this is known as geometrical axis. Geometrical axis. Then this is known as transform. Transform is symmetricity. In transform, symmetricity. Therefore, transform have very low or zero dipole moment. Very low or zero dipole moment. But in case of cis form, both bulky group present on same side of geometrical axis. This is geometrical axis. Both chlorine present on same side. This is known as cis. This is cis form have greater dipole moment. So mu is 1.9 divide. This is due to presence of geometrical arrangement of chlorine. But in case of different molecule, suppose we take different molecule, chlorine replaced by CH3. In this case, cis form and transform. This is transform. Transform have transform have mu trans have greater value than mu cis, means in case of transform having different electronegativity, then transform will be more dipole as compared to cis form. Dipole moment of polyatomic molecule is sum of all the dipole of the bond. And therefore this is known as bond moment. This is known as bond moment. Fajans rule of polarization. Dipole moment एक्सप्लेन करता है पोलैरिटी कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. फजान्स रूल एक्सप्लेन करता है पोलैरिटी आयनिक बॉन्ड. इन आयनिक बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑफ एनाइन shift towards cation, which results to increase covalent character. सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन कंबाइन होकर क्या बनेंगे? Na+ and Cl negative. They attract to each other by a electrostatic force of attraction. Electrostatic force of attraction. But in certain cases, electron cloud of chloride ion shifted towards cation. In LiCl, this is also a ionic bond, but electrons of chlorine shifted slightly towards lithium. This is known as polarization. Cl negative shift electron to lithium. Therefore, chloride is known as polarizability power. Polarizability power, and lithium attract the electron. Therefore, this is known as polarizing power. Fajans gives a set of rule known as Fajans rule of polarization. That is first, smaller the size of cation, greater will be its polarizing power. कैटायन की साइज जितनी ही छोटी होगी पोलराइजिंग पावर उतना ही ज्यादा होगा. सेकेंड, लार्जर द साइज ऑफ एनायन, greater will be its polarizability. मीन्स ये खुद से पोलराइज होगा. इसका मीन्स डिस्टॉर्शन मैक्सिमम कब होगा? साइज बड़ा होगा. पोलराइजेबिलिटी आल्सो नोन एज डिस्टॉर्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. इलेक्ट्रॉन का डिस्टॉर्शन जो शेप है वो चेंज होगा. थर्ड, इफ सेम साइज ऑफ cation, then cation having electronic configuration NS1, NS2, NP2, ND10, NP6, ND10 have more polarizing power than the cation having NS2, NP6 electronic configuration. Because in silver chloride and potassium chloride both have same size. Silver get greater polarization, therefore silver chloride is covalent nature, insoluble in water, but potassium chloride ionic, soluble in वाटर. अब यहां में पोटेशियम क्लोराइड सॉल्युबल क्यों हो गया? क्योंकि पोटेशियम क्लोराइड आयंस में है और पोलर डिजॉल्व पोलर लाइक डिजॉल्व लाइक कंसेप्ट के अकॉर्डिंग देखा जाए, लाइक डिजॉल्व लाइक मीन्स पोलर पोलर में डिजॉल्व होता है, नॉन पोलर नॉन पोलर में डिजॉल्व होता है. इसलिए सिल्वर क्लोराइड आयनिक तो है लेकिन बजान्स रूल के अकॉर्डिंग ये आयनिक कैरेक्टर छोड़ करके ये कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर में आ गया, क्योंकि सिल्वर की पोलराइजिंग पावर ज्यादा है इसलिए ये कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर शो करने लगेगा, जिसके कारण इनसॉल्युबल हो जाएगा वाटर में